Hey YouTube, this is Tyler here with We Auto Detailing service in Atlanta, Metro Atlanta area. And today we're going to talk about how to detail your car at home like a pro. So before we get into that, we're going to talk about why should you detail your car at home. For one, you can save money on a day-to-day basis by detailing your car maybe once a week, twice a week, or once every month. Another reason that we would, or someone would detail their car at home is for the personal satisfaction of completing their task and taking care of their vehicle and taking care of something they value and pay so much money for when they either buy front or when they do car cleaning. This vehicle wasn't that bad, so for beginners and DIY detailers, this is a great example of a beginning easy detail for you to get started and learn how to get in the process of detailing your interior of your car. Pet peeve about a dirty car interior would be cleaning underneath the seats. You definitely want to make sure you clean underneath and completely underneath all the seats. Another pet peeve for the car interior would be just making sure you get in between all the cracks of the vehicles, and you want to make sure you use your steamer, which can help you with your interior detail. The pet peeve for the car interior is doing it at home. You have ample time, and you have lots of time to be able to get the car interior looking nice, as opposed to doing it at a car wash location or any other location. You can take your time to get it done. All right, so this is a Ford Maverick truck. And for this detail, one of the biggest challenges I believe will be with detailing this car would be doing the wax. And the reason why is because we have a thin layer of plastic, which is vinyl, and it's one of those things where you have to make sure that you don't get the wax on that plastic vinyl, and it's on the outside. So when it comes to waxing, you just want to make sure you stay away from the plastic because you don't want to stain it with your wax. So that's our biggest challenge when it comes to detailing this Ford truck. To complete this project, it's going to take about $500 to about $600 a one-time cost, and then it's going to be pretty much free going forward. And the tools that you will need is pretty much a pressure washer for $100. You're gonna have power at your own home, so you can use the power from your home, and you can use also the water. Also you're gonna need a vacuum, which is about $60. You're gonna need some cleaning products. It's about maybe $50, all-purpose soap and a couple microfiber rags. And then lastly, you may need a vacuum, pressure washer, chemicals, and maybe a steamer if you want to grab a steamer as well. But like I say, overall you're gonna have, and then also a buffer if you want to wax the car as well. So overall, you're gonna need a one-time budget of $500 to $600, but over time it's gonna end up being free after that first detail that you do at your home. When it comes to the process of this detail, we usually start in the inside for our details. We do our vacuum, start from the back, work our way to the front. After our vacuum, we will pretty much start our interior detailing where we do our wipe down and our steam cleaning. After our steam cleaning, we will pretty much clean our door jambs, and then we do our outside wash. For the outside wash, we will go ahead and do our pre-rinse, wash the car with our foam cannon by spraying our soap on the car. Then we use our brush or wash it depending on the weather, and then we pretty much rinse the car off, and we started our wax from there. So we dry the car off, and then we apply the wax. As you can see now, the car has wax on it, and then we're pretty much going to take the wax off. So to take the wax off, I have my 3 rags here. They all are dry rags, and pretty much we just pretty much wipe it off, and the wax will come pretty much right off. And so we gotta go around the whole car and just remove the wax. So that's our process. And the last step will be just adding tire shine, making sure the wheels are clean,
And that should pretty much end up this finish this
So
detail.
tell me, what's your process for detailing your car at home? And lastly, make sure y'all hit the like and subscribe button. And remember, keep your family, your faith, and your fitness first. Have a great day.